Welcome to The Interest. I'm Christine Stewart. My favorite loan educator, David Luna, will smash the crystal ball with new details about the market, followed by a poetic moment from our CEO, Vincent Valvo, to get our heart rate back down to normal. But first, we examine the learning curve mortgage professionals have to navigate when they transition between lending sectors.
We're seeing people move around from one channel to the next. We're seeing people come from, real estate into mortgages. People who've never done mortgages join the wholesale channel. So it's been, I'd say vibrant amount of activity.
Sometimes the best practices at one lender conflict with those of another company. Ideas about what is right differ by sector, broker, and even state. Being flexible is key when transitioning into a new role, whatever it may be.
A lot of times, if you've been doing something for a long time, you believe that is the only way to do it. And so I would also say to anyone, be open, right? Do your research. Don't go off of what you heard or what you believe from 10 years ago, because things have greatly changed.
When thousands of LOs came together for Originator Connect in 2023, our own Katie Jensen had an exclusive interview with Nexa Mortgage CEO Mike Cordes. In the following clip, we see his passion for LOs joining wholesale, and we get a sense that this broker owner understands there will be a learning curve.
When somebody comes over from retail, you're going to about 90, 120 days. You got to get your broker legs under you, right? Because they're coming from one login. Now they have 200 logins, 200 ways to submit a loan.
For more on making the jump to wholesale from retail, non-QM from conventional, or another type of home lending altogether, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com. For The Interest, I'm Christine Stewart.
Angel AI is revolutionizing the home financing process. Here to tell us about it is Pavan Agarwal, the CEO of Celigence, the company behind this new amazing app. Tell us how Angel AI is helping the home financing process.
We use empathetic AI technology, so Angel AI understands the emotions behind human inputs so that the application to approval to close of a mortgage is nearly free of human touch and free of human error, and is lightning fast compared to the manual standards of the real estate industry today.
What about the people who have found it hard to get a mortgage?
Angel AI has made the approval process for mortgages fair and transparent, such that we have cut the decline rates for minority communities by half relative to the national average. Just go to angelai.com or click the Ask Angel AI Now button and ask Angel AI your home finance questions, or simply ask her to send you one of these cool free t-shirts. Angel AI has transferred the home financing business and made it fairer and easier for everyone.
This is David Luna for The Interest. What a roller coaster week. We've seen the last FOMC meeting for the year, and the Federal Reserve has decided to leave rates alone. What does this mean? In my opinion, we have hit the top of whatever the Fed funds rate is going to be. So right now, 5.25 to 5.5, that's it. In the future, we can expect rate cuts. Exactly when and exactly how much, we don't know. But you're already starting to see the effects with lower interest rates at the end of this week at the time of recording. Now, what will happen in the future? Even if the Federal Reserve is going to stick with their game plan higher for longer, rates will continue to fall. Why? The gap between 10 years and 30-year fixed, right? That gap is normally about 170 basis points. Right now, at the time of recording, it's 280. Rates have 100 basis points drop before any kind of rate cut. So in other words, we could see interest rates fall as much as 1 full percentage point lower than where they are today without any rate cuts. Will the Federal Reserve cut rates? Popular speculation is that we will see 3 rate cuts in 2024. When? We don't know. They were hinting that they were going to do it, but again, we don't know. So as I'm going around the country and I'm visiting with people, the next thing I'm hearing is, well, Dave, will this lead to higher inflation? It is a gamble. We don't know. What we do know is, for right now, everybody is looking forward to a really, really good Christmas. For The Interest, this is David Luna with Mortgage Educators in Compliance. Happy holidays.
As a mortgage broker, I strive to help dreams come alive. With loans and rates, I'll open the gates to homes where hopes can thrive.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.